Emergent AI review in 2025. Is it worth using? Let's find out. So, Emergent AI is marketed as a next generation AI assistant that combines research, productivity, and automation. It can summarize documents, generate text, and integrate with your workflows. So, the pros of this website are it has very fast response times compared to some other AI tools. It has strong integrations with Google Workspace and Notion, and it's affordable subscription compared to top competitors. The cons are it's still early in its stages, meaning occasional bugs can occur. It lacks some advanced features that bigger players like ChatGPT or Claude offer. It has limited community support and fewer tutorials available. And that's it. So, for final verdict, if you want an affordable, fast AI tool that integrates with your daily productivity apps, Emergent AI is worth testing. But for advanced users, other AI that are big in the league now are still reliable. So if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.